The Rural Electrification Authority has now fully automated its procurement services as government services continue to be digitized as to cut red tape and reduce the cost of doing business. The authority joins the Kenya Revenue Authority, Kenya Power and the Kenya Ports Authority as the only state agencies that are fully automated. That's in order to improve suppliers' access as to public procurement within the aim of providing opportunities for youth, women and disadvantaged groups. The chairman of the authority, that's Simon Gicharu, who presided over the event, says the authority is looking at alternative energy generation mechanisms like solar to provide steady electricity that's across the country.